I'm going to show you how I sustain with a heavy attack. Stamina recovery, pretty low. So let's say we're doing our spammable ability. And our stamina is starting to get low. So what did I do? I hold a heavy attack, then I hit reverse slice, and then I interrupt. I animation cancel it. So doing the heavy attack, when the heavy attack hand goes all the way back and just creeps forward, I hit reverse slice, and as soon as I let go of my button, I press interrupt. And you'll see actually interrupt hits before reverse slice, even though I'm actually pressing the button afterwards. And this is when people send you a hate tell and say, are you macroing? Because the skill hits basically at the same time. Let's see if I can get this to work. Doesn't happen every time, but basically you never run out of stamina at 800 regen. No potion active. Just using rally, and that doesn't affect anything. Still doing tons of damage. I can make it go pretty fast sometimes when we're moving and we're killing people. I can also do the light attack version. Oops. So let's do it again, like as if we're in a dungeon. Try to run myself low on stamina. And now regenning. I hope that helps.